Morning, seventh graders. Happy Friday to all of you. Let's take a look at what we're doing for math today. So it is May 14th, and we are getting close actually to wrapping up chapter 9. So right now, what we're going to do today is just tie up lessons 3 and 5. So the learning target, I can use tree diagrams and counting principle to count the number of outcomes and find probability. We're really going to get into counting principle today, really lesson 5, but I'm also going to talk about how that works together with lesson 3 with the tree diagrams that we've been working on the last few days. So before we do that, though, I'm going to have you get into a warm-up in thatquiz.org. And if you notice on the agenda, that's a separate video. So I'm going to just go over the directions on that warm-up in the video itself so you know what to select when you go into that quiz. You're going to do a little review of integers. We're getting close, obviously, to the end of the school year and having an exam at the end of the year over what we've covered in 7th grade math this year. So we're going to just take some time, not necessarily every day, but pretty close to just reviewing what we've done. And so again, that'll be in a separate video here in just a minute. You'll go to that next. Then we'll get into the lesson, which will be in the book on page 757, and you'll need a calculator for that. Afterwards, if there is some time still on a Friday, once you've done the warm-up and the lesson with me, you have a tree diagram, counting principle quizzes in Google Classroom. So just to review counting principle that I've taught today, so you'll be able to go in there and practice that. And then one last thing here, I did change the date on when Chapter 9 graded checklist is due. I originally had said Monday, May 17th, but we're going to go till Tuesday, May 18th. I'm going to push it one more day out. And so I did change that on the agenda there at number 4. And so plan on that. Next Tuesday, everything in Chapter 9 that we've done will be due. That is also in the coming up. So you'll also notice on Tuesday that you're going to have one last quick check for lesson 9, and that'll be on counting principle and tree diagrams. Lastly, the math M-Step is next week on Thursday. So we'll be looking forward to that as well. All right, so I'm going to end this video. You're going to meet me back in the warm-up, and so we can get going for the day.